Battery life is one of the most important things people care about when buying a new phone, and the Pixel 10 series has sparked a lot of discussion around this topic. While Google's latest phones are generally seen as solid performers, battery behavior on the Pixel 10 lineup has not been completely predictable. To better understand how users really feel, a survey was run over the past couple of months, starting in October. Now the results are in, and they paint a mixed but interesting picture. The biggest takeaway is that most Pixel 10 users are actually satisfied with their battery life. Nearly 2/3 of people who took part in the poll said their experience has been either average or great. That alone suggests that, for most users, battery life is not a serious issue. In fact, around 1/3 of respondents said the battery life on their Pixel 10 phone has been great. These users report that their phones easily last a full day without stress, which is exactly what you would expect from a modern flagship device. For many people, this kind of performance is more than enough. A phone that lasts all day with normal use, including social media, browsing, messaging, and some video streaming, meets everyday needs. Seeing such a large portion of users happy with battery life is a positive sign for Google, especially since the Pixel 10 series is still relatively new. Another 30% of survey participants described their battery life as average. This means the phone gets through the day, but without much extra to spare. While this may not sound exciting, it is still acceptable for many users. Average battery life is often considered normal, especially for people who use their phones heavily. As long as the phone does not require frequent charging during the day, most users are willing to live with it. However, not everyone is having a smooth experience. About 1/3 of respondents reported problems with battery life. More than 1 in 5 users said their Pixel 10 battery life has been inconsistent. This means that on some days the phone performs well, while on other days it drains much faster, even with similar usage patterns. This kind of unpredictability can be frustrating, especially when you rely on your phone throughout the day. An additional 15% of users went even further, saying their battery life has been straight up bad. For these users, the phone may struggle to last a full day, or it may lose battery quickly even with light use. While this group is smaller, it is still large enough to raise concerns. Even reviewers have noticed this issue. One example is Rita El Khoury, who shared her own experience with inconsistent battery life. She pointed out that even on days that feel almost identical, with similar apps, Wi-Fi usage, and time spent at home, battery drain can vary a lot. This makes it hard to predict how the phone will perform from one day to the next. So what could be causing this uneven behavior? While there is no clear answer yet, one possible explanation involves the Pixel 10 Pro XL. In particular, there are signs that its 4G radio may sometimes draw too much power, especially in areas with weak or unstable signal. When reception is poor, the phone may work harder to stay connected, leading to faster battery drain. This is not a completely new problem for Google. Pixel phones have had small but annoying battery issues for years, often ones that are difficult to track down. The survey results reflect this history. Most users are fine, but a noticeable portion still struggles with battery reliability. In the end, the Pixel 10 series delivers acceptable battery life for the majority of users. Still, for those experiencing inconsistent or bad performance, the frustration is real. Hopefully, Google can identify and fix these issues, either through software updates or improved hardware. Looking ahead, many users are hoping that the Pixel 11 will finally put these battery concerns to rest.